Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting and now with TOTD with Rayken and Nazir and me. So we presenting about the planet Earth. We will about the Earth planet. What is Earth? What is Earth? Can you explain again? Okay. So Earth is a planet where we live in, where we eat, sleep, and live in here. This is Earth. And we will continue to the next one about Earth.
Earth is our planet. It's a remarkable place full of deserts and interconnected systems that work together to sustain life as we know it.
From the air we breathe to the weather we drink, the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, and biosphere. And all play important roles in creating the environment that we call home. And then we will go to the Earth stats. Earth diameter is 12,742 kilometers, and then its mass is 5.97 multiplied by 10 power of 24 kilograms. And then the distance to the sun is 149.6 million kilometers. And then the length of the day is 24 hours. Length of the year is 365.24 days. And then the compositions, there is iron, and then oxygen, silicon, magnesium, sulfur, and other elements. Earth's features. Earth axis. The Earth axis is tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees relative to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. This tilt is responsible for the Earth's season and the variation in daylight hours throughout the years in different parts of the world. Orbital planet. Orbital plane. Earth orbital plane is the flat path that is following as it travels around the Sun. And equator. The equator is an imaginary line that circles from Earth at 0 degrees latitude, and it divides the planet into two hemispheres. As you can see, this is the orbital planet. This the equator.
Cross section. First is crust. The crust is the outermost layer, and it varies the thickness from about 5 until 70 kilometers, depending on location. It is composed primarily of solid rock, and it is divided to two main types: volcanic and continental crust.
And then the second one is mantle. The mantle is the layer beneath the crust, and it makes up about 84% of the Earth's volume. It is composed of hot, semi-solid rock and is divided into the upper and lower mantle. And the last is core. As you can see in here, the two is the core. The core is the central layer of the Earth and it divides into outer and inner layers. So if the core is exploding, so Earth will be destroyed and will be Kiamat. The Earth moon. So you know there is many planets that have a orbit like Earth. So the orbit of the Earth is moon. Moon is our orbit. So I want to tell you the diameter, mass, distance, orbital period, and gravity of moon. Diameter approx 3,476 kilometers. Mass approx 81 quintillion pounds. Distance from Earth is 384 400 kilometers. Orbital period approximately 27.3 Earth days. Gravity approximately 1/6 of Earth gravity.
So the gravity of the moon is in a sixth of Earth's gravity. So it's very low, lower than the Earth 6 times.
Asia. Asia is the largest and the most popular continent, covering one third of the world land area and home to over 4.5 billion people. It is known for its rich story and diverse cultures. The continent is also home to a wide range of landscapes and ecosystem, making it a fascinating and important part of the world.
Okay, so we go to the next continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent known for its vast and diverse landscape from the Sahara Desert to the rainforests of Central Africa. The continent is also known for its wildlife, with the savannas of East Africa being home to iconic species, making Africa an important and unique part of it. And do you know, savanna is there is many animals like that, like hyenas and others, hyenas, tiger, and cheetah. So if you go to the savannas of Africa, maybe endangered and no. And there is many culture in Africa, but poorly Africa. Uh, yeah, let's go.
And then we go to the next continent, which is America. The American continent is divided into two large land masses, the North America and South America. North America is known for its diverse geography, as well as its economy and rich history. And then the second one is South America. It is famous for its vibrant cultures, colorful cities, and diverse ecosystem. You can see over here, this is the North America, and then this is the South America.
And then we go to the Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and the coldest and driest place on Earth, with a temperature that can drop below -80 Celsius. It is covered in ice that averages 1.9 kilometers thick and holds 70% of the world's fresh water. Despite its extreme condition, and it is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and animals.
And the next is Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in the terms of land area, but it is the most densely populated, with over 700 million people. It is known for its rich history, cultural diversity, and iconic landmarks. It is home to a diverse range of languages, cuisine, and traditions, make it a fascinating and important part of the world.
And then we go to the smallest continent, which is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in terms of land area, but it is the sixth largest country in the world. The continent is famous for its iconic landscapes and a wide variety of unique wildlife. The indigenous people of Australia have a rich and ancient culture that has been shaped by the continent's unique environment. You can see over here, there is so many environment of Australia. There is the desert one, and then the very desert one, beach, and a town. And then maybe that's all from
From us,
us.
thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.